Hello friends! Today we're going to draw Bumblebee. Bumblebee is my brother's favorite transformer. In the beginning of this video, you can see how it's drawn in fast forward mode. Now let's start drawing Bumblebee. First, we start by drawing his helmet. In the center of the helmet, there is a Transformers logo. It's quite small and somewhat difficult. We will attend to it in the end. Now let's draw his antennae.
Real bumblebees use their antennae for sensing smells and air movement.
Are the appendages on the head of the Bumblebee robot antennae too?
I think they might be radio antennas.
Extend the line on both sides to draw his helmet. Now let's draw his eyes. The two curves looks like eyebrows. Do Transformers need eyebrows?
No, Transformers don't need eyebrows. They're typically depicted without them in their robotic forms.
Then why do humans need eyebrows?
Humans have eyebrows for several reasons. They help keep sweat, moisture, and debris out of our eyes. They also play a role in nonverbal communication, expressing emotions like surprise, confusion, or anger. Additionally, eyebrows can enhance facial recognition by adding contrast to the eyes and shaping the face.
Now let's move on to his mouth. Is it really his mouth?
He looks like he's holding a metal pacifier.
It also looks like he's sticking his tongue out. Let's draw his cheek. It looks like a mask. We move on to his ears.
I have no idea. Are these two really his ears?
Maybe they're his headphones. Let's add more details to his headphone, helmet, and face. Hooray! We've outlined it. Let's color it in. I really like his blue eyes. Somehow his eyes don't look like humans. Maybe it's because he doesn't have pupils.
Well, at least he looks very focused.
I also like his pacifier. We used to have plenty at home.
But none of them are made of metal.
I think his yellow helmet is cool.
We use different shades of yellow to make the helmet look more 3D. At the same time, you can also leave some blank spaces as highlights. Let's add more details to his helmet.
Finally, let's add the Transformers logo. Yay! Our Bumblebee is done. It's cool, isn't it? We hope you liked this video. See you next time. Bye!